Hi, my name is Misty Bernhard with Illinois Extension. Today I want to share a recipe with you to help get you in that fall spirit. So we are going to make squash, apple, cranberry casserole.
The ingredients you need are 3 cups of cubed winter squash, 2 cups cubed baking apples, a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of dried cranberries. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash your hands with soap and water. Gently rub your produce under cool running water. Combine the cubed squash and the apples in an 8 by 8 inch pan. Sprinkle nutmeg, cinnamon, brown sugar over squash and apple mixture. Top your mixture with the dried cranberries. Cover your pan with aluminum foil and bake for 45 to 60 minutes or until the squash and apples are tender.
And here you have our finished product, squash, apple, cranberry casserole. It's a delicious start to fall that your whole family will enjoy.
Eat, Move, Save.